Are you?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so first question. The school that Willie goes to is selling tickets to the annual talent show. On the first day of ticket sales, the school sold 12 senior citizen tickets and 6 child tickets for a total of $156. The school took in $210 on the second day by selling 6 senior citizen tickets and 14 child tickets. What is the price each of 1 senior citizen ticket and 1 child ticket? So frequently, that last sentence will tell you what you want, what you're looking for. So we're going to use that to define our variable. So we want to define our variable. Frequently, when students are doing these, they don't define the variable, and they're like, wait, I don't even know where to go or where to start. So start by defining your variable. So you can use whatever letter you want. I'm going to use X, and it's the price of a senior citizen ticket. And then Y is, and this word price is important here. And Y is the price of a child ticket. Okay, so we've got in this problem 12 senior citizen tickets, 6 child tickets, total of 156. Anybody have any idea how we might put that into an equation? Yes, JJ?
I don't know.
Okay, that's all right.
Slope-intercept form.
So this one, since we've got we want to know the price. If we've got 12 senior citizen tickets, we're going to take 12 times the price. So we're going to take 12x to start. Yes, Will?
Plus 6x
plus 6y equals 156. So we're just going there, down there on that line, aren't we?
Yeah.
So what would the next equation be?
Yeah.
6x, 14y.
So we've got 6 senior citizens and 14 child, 6x plus 14y equals 210. So how might we solve that? Elimination. So what would be the easiest way on this one? We want to avoid having to multiply both of them by something. Yes. Good. Multiply the bottom one by -2. So if we look at this 6, if we multiply it by -2, it gives us the opposite of 12x. So that gives us -12x minus 28y. Calculator's good today, so if you want to go get one, get up and get one, that's fine. Then we're going to add this to 12x plus 6y is 156. So the x's cancel, -22y equals -264 divided by -22, and we get y is 12. So now how would we find out what x is? Yeah, either equation, it doesn't matter, the first one or the second one. So let's use the first one. 12x plus 6 times 12 is equal to 156.
Oh yeah, x equals 8.
So 12x plus 72. That's not just. So subtract 72. 12x is 84 divided by 12, and that's 7. Okay, so we're not done. We want to define, we want to write what the price of a senior citizen ticket is and the price of a child ticket. So our X, which we got to be 7, would be $7 for the senior citizen. Citizen ticket. And then $12 for the child's ticket. So why is the child's ticket more than the senior citizen? Why is it more? I just want to make sure if this makes sense. Does this make sense? Yeah, because the senior citizens, they get a discount. So that's what happened here. So go ahead and do the U-try number 2. The last one we will do together. So I want you to do it just like this one. So go ahead and set it up and solve it. You're going to do the U-try, and I'm going to do number 3.
What? What do you mean? I will tell you what I want. $12 for the bushes, clothes, $9 for the ornaments.
What's 108 divided by 12?
I'm done. Hey, why did you really film that? I got it right. Got it right. Look how you set it up.
That's exactly right. That's exactly what I did.
You're an X. Equal to X.
No, I minus X and replace X with
Why do you want
you
to?
want to put the limiting?
So you want to multiply this one by something, so it's
I know. I know what I did. 51 equals 3x plus 3y. I did it right.
Multiply the bottom by the That's why you did it wrong.
Oh, okay. I got it.
That's just
We did the opposite. We put in the X one, we're putting it back in the Y.
Henry, oh wait, no, it's Y equals 9.
0.
No, that's 9.
Oh, that's 5.
No, you said I, because I'm
Why?
trying to get the Y's by
Y equals Y, that's...
now I'm so wait, but you're
Yeah, you lied.
Look at this, I made an image.
what does it mean? She erased it. But I'm so glad you just can't answer.
I'm okay with it.
You just think that in your head and put it on the paper. Yeah, no shit. Just. Okay. No, you don't. No, we won't do that. So you know how you have to get this to 12? So you times by -4 to make that. Well, just like where'd you come up with -4? That's. You have to explain why. Just shut up.
Nine is my favorite. Funny.
Is it done? Yeah, you get -9, -8.
Yeah, they must be.
I get -$9.
Why is that? I mean, they're laughing, bro. I'm not even. Is he right or wrong?
He's right.
Okay, I get 2 points, bro. There's -$9, bro.
Okay,
It's literally asking for what is the cost of 1 rose bush and the cost of 1 bunch of ornamental grass.
It is.
You don't say it costs
It is.
-$9. Fine.
So don't.
Positive. It's just positive. Yeah. No, wait, you got 2 maths. I got 9.
I just.
I'm taking it, bro.
I got fucking up with the
Yeah, it's not safe.
Oh, a lot of people got a new C. Damn, you're the best C.
Oh my god.
How'd you get it from me? In the house.
I'm trying to teach Susie and
$8 for a rose bush and 9 for the green. You got the green better.
I did it.
Okay, attention up here, please. So here's your two defined variables. These would be your 2 equations. And so one possible next step is all I'm going to talk about is the next step. If you have questions after that, you can ask me after I'm done with the notes. Would be looking at the x's, we could multiply this whole equation by -3 and then add them together. And so you get $8 per rose bush, $9 per ornamental grass. So make sure you define your variables. Really easy to forget that. Okay, last one. Amy and Jenny are selling cheesecakes for a school fundraiser. Customers can buy New York style cheesecakes and strawberry cheesecakes. Amy sold 18 total cheesecakes for $262. If the New York style cheesecakes cost $19 each and the strawberry cheesecakes cost $11 each, how many of each cheesecake did she buy? So this time, our X it says how many?
They're half shut off.
More shut off.
We're going to get them more. Sure do.
Shut it off.
Did somebody get up and turn it off?
No.
So X equals the number of New York cheesecake, and Y is equal to the number of strawberry cheesecake. So this one's a little different. Anybody have any idea how we start this out? What might be an equation that we could use? $18 total cheesecakes is the key there. It's different.
11 Y plus 19 X. 19 X plus
Is equal to
18 times. Wait, no.
What?
Hold on. 18.
What are we doing, bro?
19x plus 11y is 262. Yes. So that one's just like what we did on the last one. So then the next one, 18 total cheesecakes, is if there are X of the New York and Y of the strawberry. What do we do with the X and the Y to get the 18?
Do like the.
If you have one New York cheesecake and there are 18 total, how many of the?
You put that for the X?
Yeah, so we need to get another equation. So what is our equation with X and Y and 18? X plus Y equals 18.
Oh, wow.
So that's what's different on this one. So what's a possible way we could solve this?
Let's multiply the bottom equation by 11.
Okay, by positive 11 or negative 11. Okay, almost done. Just hold on. So we got negative 11x minus 11y equals negative 198. Thank you, those of you that are sitting quietly. So now we're going to add those two together. Y's cancel, and we get 8x is 64. We get x is 80. So now we can use either equation. Which is the easier one to use? First one or the second one?
The second one.
The second one. So you can use either one, but the second one I agree is easier. So 8 plus y is equal to 18. So you might even be able to do that in your head. Subtract 8. So y is 10. Now we need to give our answer in words. So when we define it, it says x is the number of the New York cheesecake. So how many New York cheesecake? So 8 New York cheesecake. And 10 strawberry cheesecake. Can I get somebody to pass out the worksheet, please?